You want me to get a picture with you?
Yeah, how do we get that selfie going?
I know, right?
Help keep your head warm.
You have to all line up in one direction.
Nisha, we need one of those sticks.
Yeah.
Right.
Or people with those. Or a float with the little truck.
That sounds just like a party out here, by the way. Where are the cocktails, Dennis?
Pass the muffins.